Soy marinated soft-boiled eggs are known as ajitama in Japan. These eggs are a popular ingredient for ramen, and in Japanese American cuisine have become a snack in their own right. Marinated soy sauce, mirin, and sake, these jammy eggs are full of amino acids, electrolytes, probiotics, and protein. Let's grab some ingredients and make a batch.
2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 cup of sake, 1 cup of mirin, 1 cup of soy sauce, and an optional splash of vinegar. Measure 1 cup of each marinade liquid and add them to a pot. Soy sauce may be slower to pour. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar to your marinade pot. Place it over medium heat, just enough to melt the sugar. Once everything is melted, take the marinade off the heat and set it to the side. Don't forget to turn off the heat. Place about a quart of water over high heat to boil. Adding a splash of vinegar might make the eggs easier to peel later. Once your water boils, gently lower the eggs into the boiling water. This will help prevent them from cracking early. Boil your eggs for between 5 to 7 minutes, depending on your stove's temperature. When the timer finishes, gently move your eggs into an ice bath. This will make sure they don't keep cooking out of the water. Peel your eggs. Peeling them in the water prevents the shell from sticking to the white. Place your peeled eggs into a container deep enough for them to roll around in. Pour the now cooled marinade over your eggs, enough to almost cover or fully cover them. Close your container, preferably with an airtight seal. Place your eggs in the refrigerator for anywhere from 12 to 36 hours. When you're ready to eat, share them with some friends. They're a fun appetizer for a party or a great ramen topping.